data released today, which is a bit worrying.
Yes, you know, the weather's really picked up, but there's still some really serious stuff happening at the moment. The bigger picture is really quite a serious one. Further evidence today that the Earth is warming at unprecedented rates. Latest research shows an alarming rise in temperatures across all 4 of the UK's seasons over the last 55 years. Average spring temperatures, for example, have risen by 1.8 degrees just since 1970. Now, the Earth warming is not a new thing, but the recent speed of the warming that's so alarming the experts. Just look at the sharp acceleration in just the last 55 years. Now, I can hear you saying 1.8 degrees. That doesn't sound like a lot, and it's not a lot in any given day. But even that small margin over years and years can have really serious real-world effects on everything from wildlife to weather. Even as recently as Storm Eowyn just 6 weeks ago, the intensity of that storm was in large part down to this steep rise in seasonal temperatures. No surprise, the burning of fossil fuels is the chief culprit here, making the focus on the switch to green energy all the more important and all the more urgent. But back to the here and now. For some, the sunshine is setting in for the next few days, just in time for the start of spring. Let's take a look now at the forecast. So it is incredible to me that just as we hit the first day of meteorological spring, the sun came out. And in fact, it has continued to stay out for many. And it stays like that for the next few days for many as well. Mainly settled in the south, certainly rather more changeable in the north, though there is still some sunshine for you, feeling a touch warmer as well. So let's have a look at the detail. And this is what's going on. High pressure is what's given us the much more settled and quite dry and sunny conditions over the last few days. It hangs on in there to the south over the next few days, but it slowly drifts away eastwards, and that allows this Atlantic incursion from the west. Low pressure systems, associated rain-bearing wind and rain moving in all the time, though slightly being held off the south from those systems just moving in. But we are gradually, by the end of the week, going to see something a little bit more unsettled. So the main message is, if you see the sunshine, get out and enjoy it. So let's have a look at then. As we end the night and we start into tomorrow, we are going to be doing so with clearing skies and tumbling temperatures in the south, so a fairly widespread frost here. Milder, though, in the north, thanks to more in the way of cloud and some reasonably fresh winds. Then we look ahead to Tuesday morning. Well, it's some beautiful conditions there in the south once again, once those early frost and fog patches have cleared. For much of the day, it's going to be lovely, but all the time, thickening clouds and rain moving into the far northwest. And it's pretty much a repeat performance as we look into the middle of the week as well. Not too bad. There's always some serious stuff with the weather.
Yes.
But when the sun comes out, everyone smiles, and I think that is a gorgeous thing.
It is a very gorgeous thing. Thanks so much,
problem.
Becky. Thank you.